And now I'm in front of the glitzy entrance to the Plaza Hotel. And if you see all these dazzling lights up on top, this is where Oscar's Steakhouse is, which is where they filmed a scene from Casino with Robert De Niro and Sharon Stone. I've eaten there, and the steaks are to die for. They're really, really good. The lights are also to die for. Look, they go everywhere. But this is Vegas, baby, so this is what you gotta expect. Hello and greetings from Vegas, baby. I just landed in Las Vegas and I've checked in to the beautiful and classic Plaza Hotel and Casino in downtown Las Vegas, which is where it all started, all the excitement first started. So I wanted to give you a view of one of the recently renovated deluxe rooms at the Plaza Hotel and Casino. This hotel's been around a while. It's right at the very end of Fremont Street where the lights are. So it's a great location for walking around. And these newer renovated rooms are quite comfortable and quite attractive, I think. It's a fresh and clean design. I love lots of pillows, so I like all those pillows there. Nice big headboard. You have some accent stripes. I like this modern artwork. The Wi-Fi has been really good, which is also a big selling point. But look, this room is quite spacious, actually, for a room in a budget-friendly priced room category, and also a nice work desk. Another thing I really like about this property here is the Renovated Bathrooms has a sliding door, which is a better use of space. It takes up less space that way. And it has a nice big shower area too. We've got a view of the mountains, if we can see it. I'm not sure if we can very well right here, but off in the distance there, you got some mountains going on there. So yeah, I'm checked in here. It's my first time staying at this hotel. The room rates are super reasonable. As you may know, if you know Vegas, a lot of the rooms, even on the big, really famous hotels, are very reasonably priced, but you have to factor in the fact that almost all of them charge a resort fee on top of that. So I paid about $28, I think, for this room, which is not a bad deal. But with the resort fee, it's about double that. So then we're talking, $55, something like that, which still is a very reasonable deal. And this hotel has a lot of good features. It has a rooftop deck with a big pool that may not be too crowded right now because it's a little cool at this time of year, but this gives you some flavor, if you can see that photo there. When it's warmer out, I'm sure it's like that over at the pool. So I'll be doing some video and photos from there too. So this is my first time actually staying in downtown Las Vegas, and I'm excited about this because everyone knows the Strip. Everyone knows downtown as well, but I've never stayed downtown, and there's enough to do downtown that you can really make a vacation just staying downtown. So I'm gonna go out and eat. I wanna see the Arts District. There's a container park. I'm gonna see my cousin for dinner who lives here, so I'm excited about that too. So Las Vegas is a destination really unlike any other destination. So I'm looking forward to exploring some different sides of it, different aspects of it, and I'm having a good time so far here at the Plaza, which, by the way, was this hotel was used in a scene from the movie Casino, one of my favorite movies of all time. If you remember a dinner scene where Sharon Stone and Robert De Niro are having dinner, and they're kind of miserable as usual in that movie. Well, that took place at Oscar's Steakhouse, which I had dinner at, I think, last year. And it's an amazing steakhouse in a really cool setting. Very, very Vegas, very glittery. So lots to do here in Vegas. Stay tuned for more, and thanks for joining me. So here I'm walking through one of the unrenovated floors. So you can see that the lighting and the decor is a little bit different, not quite as fresh. But these floors will be renovated as well. So it's gonna be looking really good when they're done with all of this. And now here we are. This is one of the renovated floors. So you can see how much brighter it is. The lighting is nicer. The carpets are kind of fresh and colorful as well. I like the accent color of the doors. So eventually the entire hotel is going to look like this. For now, if you want a space like this, just reserve a luxe room, and you'll get this really cool carpeting. I like this a lot.